Wanted to tell you about a project Heritage recently completed, which was a wooden greenhouse up in Kittery, Maine. That was a 1930s greenhouse that was reconstructed in the 80s, and that 1980s version was basically falling apart. The fir components were all rotting and needed to be taken down for safety reasons. Heritage Restoration documented all of the parts as well as found the original drawings from the 1930s that detailed the various components of the structure. We completed the documentation and started to reconstruct it in our shop, doing full-scale mock-ups of the components where we would not really start building it until we were confident in how all the parts would fit together. It is made out of over 1,500 linear feet or board feet of Sipo Mahogany. We relied on traditional joinery as well as modern stainless steel fasteners in some parts. We decided to also fully construct it in our shop, then would be dismantled and brought to site. We used about 5 gallons of glaze to set the glass and would package it and send it up in a van. We spent 4 days on site where a crew of 4 of us had assembled all of the parts. Fortunately, the pre-site investigation enabled us to fit it perfectly with some minor scribing to the building to make sure that it was a clean transition between one and the other. The site conditions were such that we were able to assemble it without any delay of weather, and it came together quite beautifully. Wanted to highlight some of the various details of it, how we pinned it down to the existing using copper edges to hold on the glass, to utilizing various traditional methods as well as modern methods to make sure its longevity was as much as possible. Since the building was designed in 1930, we obviously have a lot more products and materials and techniques that can extend the life of these components. And so we made sure that it was not only user-friendly, but utilized the original techniques and materials that built the original greenhouse. Since there is a lot of transition with the occupants of the house, and simplicity was important. So this is something that we are immensely proud of, not only of the team, but also in the partners of the owners that enabled us to pull it off. So thank you to all, and have a great day.